Hi guys, welcome to your library at home. It's me, Elda. Thanks for watching tonight. I think it's right about 7 o'clock, so we are going to go ahead and get started. Let me know if you're watching. I may not be able to say hi to you tonight because I am going to actually kind of walk away from the camera. So if you guys can't hear me, I'll try to look and see, let me know, and I'll try to talk louder. So tonight we are going to be making a fall themed centerpiece / table-scape. So what we're going to do tonight is we are going to do a centerpiece, but we're going to do it a little bit differently because I actually, I had all the supplies sitting out on my table getting ready to actually cut apart and make a centerpiece out of one of these pumpkins. But then I decided, after seeing it all on my table, that I think we could do something more fun with this project. And I don't know about you guys, I know you guys probably don't spend a lot of time decorating the library, but that's what I do. Hi Heike, I can actually see you right now. I don't spend a whole lot of time decorating my own house, so I decided that we are gonna do a quick DIY, gather up all the supplies that you have, and if you don't have any of these supplies, now is a good time to buy clearance supplies and save them. So I'm going to show you what we're going to be using. First of all, we're going to start with a blank dining room table, but I have all my props on here right now. So I've gathered up a couple different sizes of pumpkins, and I am going to, so I have 5 pumpkins. Obviously you don't have to have 5 pumpkins, but I've got 5 all different size pumpkins. I'll show you all of them. Here you go. Hi Janet, thanks for watching. So we've got pumpkins. I've got a collection of fall different types of leaves, and I've got some mason jars. So we're going to put together some little vases of flowers, and then I have just some random leaves. And all of this stuff I either got dollar store or clearance, so this is fun, or dug out of my basement. Like these guys have been on my fall table for, I don't know, probably about 10 years now. I pull them out, they go on my door, they go on my table. These are very practical little fall decorations. So I've got a couple of these. And then I've also got some more leaves. So this is what we're gonna be using to decorate the table. And then I have got just some ribbon that I cut apart. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do, and I have a long, hi Natalie, thanks for watching. I have a long burlap table runner. So whatever your color scheme is, if you have a table runner, whichever you like, just go ahead and lay that across the center of your table. And then I'm going to space out my pumpkins. I also have, which I wish I had more of these, I have some pieces of tree. So I've got a couple. So 2 different heights, that's kind of the key here. So we're gonna lay out these. And then this is my favorite. I use these for almost anything. These are from my cake plate making days. Hi Denise, thanks for watching. Happy Thanksgiving. Okay, so cake plate, gonna go right in the center. Probably go with my highest one in the center. And I will probably move these around a couple times as we do this. I'm gonna start by laying out my pumpkins. Hopefully you guys can see that, right? Everybody can see, okay. Hi Sarah, thanks for watching. Okay, so here we have our 3 pumpkins to start. Of course, my favorite thing to prop things are my old books. Thank you, Janet. I'm going to go ahead and just lay these pumpkins in, maybe on an angle. Probably, like I said, move these around a couple times. All right, so this would be the base of it. I also have, to give us some height, some candlesticks with my favorite battery operated, you guys can't see this, but these are my battery operated candles. I'm gonna go ahead and put some candlesticks on here. Maybe rotate them, put one on each side. I'm gonna put that in back, just so you guys can see what's going on in front. We've got our candles. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add these guys, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tie on my black ribbon. Once again, this is where you guys can personalize it. You can do whatever colors you want. I'm gonna go with black and white. I've not tried that with my decorating yet. So you want to just go ahead in a couple spots, add some black and white ribbons, or whatever ribbons you choose. I still have a little brown tweed on there, but I'm going to leave that on there because I think it's cute too. You guys can make these as long as you want. I'm going to do 3 on each. And then I am just going to go ahead, these bend, so they're really fun. Go ahead and put these, and here's where we gotta maybe move our things around a little bit now. I'm gonna add that in there, lean that one back on. Same thing with the other one. Tie some more ribbons on here. I don't know if can you guys see this okay? This is totally new. I haven't tried to do this way before. I'm usually turning the camera down so you can see directly what I'm doing. But like I said, I had this all laying out on my table and I thought, I think this would be more fun to do. Okay, so I'm gonna add this one on this end. Tuck that one in. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put in some flowers. And you guys, you could do where you just went ahead and did 3 different kinds. I really like these guys. These are some little cute pumpkins. I think these are really fun. Go ahead and add those on the end. And then we've got some flowers. So let's see, where are we gonna put our flowers? And we'll put our other, well actually, originally I think I only want 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull some of these out. You guys probably can't see it, but I've got blue mason jars that I thought looked good with the blue hydrangeas. You guys see the blue hydrangeas in here? All right, there we go. So we'll just make 2 bunches. I'm just gonna bend these guys down a little bit. There we go. I'm gonna have my flowers popping out here. And I'll go ahead and add these guys to this vase. It'll balance it off. There we go. Put that on that side. Okay, so good start. Oop, knocked over my pumpkin. Now I can go ahead and just squeeze those in a little bit now that I know where everything's going. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and add these leaves. Hi Lydia, thanks for watching. I can't see all of you guys. Hi Judy. Okay, so now what I want to do is I'm going to lift up this pumpkin and I'm just going to lay my leaves underneath here. This is where you guys can just have fun with this. So add some leaves on here, put some on my books. I'm just going to fill in the space wherever we need it. I'm not going to do the other side because then you guys won't see it. So go ahead. It's fall. There's lots of leaves falling everywhere. Hi Angie, thanks for watching. Just tuck those in. So I was thinking next year, since this year I did white, I'll probably paint these pumpkins and go with a completely different color next year. All right, so here we go. Push that one back on. Scooch it all in a little bit. Okay, and now if you guys wanted, you could always add some more little candles in here. And then here's my favorite part. You guys have seen me use these a lot. I am going to go ahead and add some of my little favorite, the little fairy lights. Well, these ones aren't very bright, but I don't think you see them very well anyways. I'm gonna go with this set. Let's see if you guys can see these. Okay, here we go. Favorite part. So go ahead and we are just going to add these in on the table. Like I said, this is my favorite part because I think this really finishes it off. You guys can do this, you don't have to do it on your dining room table, you can do it on a coffee table, you can do it on a fireplace mantle. I'm just gonna tuck these guys in here. This is a brand new set, so it's super curvy. And I'm just gonna go around the pumpkins. I'm even gonna go up over this one and wrap it on there, because I think that looks good. And I'll add one more set in there, but not that one. And you guys see how easy this is? And literally I'll just throw this all in a bin, and next year I'll pull it out and instant decorating. All right. Bring this back around through here. Finalize a couple, and there you have it. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty cool. So that is a super easy DIY table-scape fireplace mantle. I think this will look great on a fireplace mantle or a buffet. So I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys try something like this. And if you do, please send in some pictures. I'd love to see what you create. And oh, I'm glad you like it. Thank you. And thanks for watching. You guys have a good evening, and we'll see you soon. Bye.